I'm Ved Srivastav, a student of class 12 from SR International School and the leader of our project, and I'm responsible for overseeing the group's progress, brainstorming ideas for the problems stated by our users, creation of the video, and the completion of the logbook. Our project is the one that's based on AI on healthcare, where the problem statement is the lack of availability of healthcare for the citizens living in the rural areas. Due to this, various issues arise for the citizens living in the rural areas. Lack of access to specialized care, long wait times for appointments, traveling long distances for care, dealing or avoiding care, high cost of care, and many other issues. The solution we provide for the problems is stated by the users is by providing telemedia services, which bridge the gap between the users and the healthcare providers. Now, by the means of video callings, text messages, and by the instant replies via chatbots, we can help our citizens and the users that are related to our project and are facing the issues. The way our model is unique and stands out from the others in the market is the way it works, and that is as follows. It provides an easy interface for the user, which in turn doesn't complicate the whole experience. It is easy to access. It has an auto-update feature, as the user doesn't need to go through the hectic process of updating it. And it is also time-consuming for the user. It has many communication features such as directly connecting the user to the supplier for the required products. There is a medicine recommendation feature which is available where the user can explain his condition and the medication can be recommended to him. The user's previous condition and diagnosis are already available in our project, which opens various number of options to improve the user's health. As mentioned previously, that the user's previous condition, diagnosis, and the past medical history is already available. It makes the process of medicine recommendation, weekly checkups, diagnosis of the improved condition, and various other facilities being provided easily to the user. This is one of the many features that gives our model a great leap over the others that are present currently in the market.
I am Rohit Singh of class 12 from SR International School and co-leader of our project. I am responsible for the prototyping, testing, completion of logbook and coding. As mentioned before, our project is on AI healthcare, which involves solving the current problems the users are facing and providing the features that are not available in the current models out there in the market. I am responsible for the prototyping of the model and testing it through. The problem statement here is the lack of ability of healthcare in rural areas, which leads to various other issues such as lack of transportation and lack of healthcare providers. Our project solves this issue by providing the telemedicine services, by bridging the gap between the healthcare providers and patients in the rural areas.
I am Ankit Meena of class 12 from SR International School. I am the project manager and field work manager in our project, and our responsible for preparing for the project, understanding users, defining their problems, designing the solutions. Our project is based on AI healthcare, in which we provide a solution to the problems of lack of availability of healthcare here in rural areas. The project of our provide a solution for the various problems the users are mentioned during the interview.
Meena of class 12 science from SR International School. I have a role of data assistance in our project, and I am responsible for collecting and preparing data for prototype.